Oh my god. Oh my god, bro, I needed that. Fuck. Excuse me.
No prisoners.
Can I make a backpack? I should have just waited for the train burp. This bundle? I don't know if you like it. You think we win?
Them.
Damn, girl, bust it open. Oh, don't put. Excuse me. Going into. Excuse me. I taught my dad. Prime.
Thanks.
Thank you. Good luck, guys. Excuse me. I go to bed now. I'm really tired. This color's nice though. I like this color on it. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Someone help me.
Got you. Oh my god. Okay. No, unfortunately, I do not.
This one.
Oh. Yeah, you. I'm scared. Take a shit. Fuck, bro.
Yo.
Hello. I wish I had iron. Fuck.
Enemy spotted A.
Oh. Fuck, bro.
How's it going?
Yeah, see? Alright, bye chat. See you guys on scroll wheel. Are you happy? Let's see. Days blend one. Oh, it's like for elbow. And then clove elbow. Oh my god. It's not a lot. I queued a few though. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, Viper. Okay. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. I feel weird. My setup feels weird. I don't know. Oh my god. I don't know. I don't know Pokemon's like Damn, I'm so ass today. Again, if you guys want to do battle buddy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
No prisoners.
Let's start a bar fight. Happens after. You're TPA, but I don't know if it's real. Oh my god.
I'll go in first.
Yeah, you know what the worst feeling is?
What that means?
How does why do you my god, nice. Chicken in.
Get out of my way.
This game is weird. They have Omenal. Oi. Just. Oh my god. Peak COVID time. Baby.
What? I'm gonna close out of your stream. I don't see why that would be it.
Oh.
Sounds like Satchel away. One CT, one.
Both there.
My ult is not ready.
Oh my god. Disgusting. Let's.
We should win.
One jump spotting B.
This is my placement, right? Oh, one's right. I want to play. Or more so like, I don't know what I... School.
For a they're all just chilling.
Dropping smoke.
No, I have to pee. So I'll Q and then I go pee. Excuse me.
Okay.
What?
Look at me. I'm on your right.
Really?
Right. Follow me.
Oh. I don't know. Oh, my back hurts. Ooh. No, I'll just hold A. I got my A. Alright, let's play Osu. Okay. Well, the only I have Oni.
Can someone buy me?
No, don't give up on my dream or I think they're just going to keep oh sorry. Interesting.
Get out of my way.
Yeah, no, I know. He was a baiter, bro.
Excuse me. Fuck. Good for you guys.
They tire. We don't.
I don't. Fuck. In my phone. Who should we raid? Another. That me espresso. Take it to the basics.
The fuck was that? I don't know. I don't know.
I'm chilling. Yeah, I need to stop being so down on myself. Like, I got this. You know? It's nice.
I just gotta like.
Dude. Oh my god. Excuse me. It is. Oh.
Silence.
Oh my god, excuse me, chat. The ramen is.
Go ahead, I'll say go ahead. I'm talking about Neon.
Oh my god. I'm I look like tens. What? How do you say it? She's good. Oh my god, thank god. Let's do tree. Let's do tree. Oh my god, excuse me. Oh my god. Excuse me. Oh, the tank top I'm wearing under this is so like it's suffocating. Alright, Lotus. Right now time. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Raise you down?
Oh my god. Okay, bye chat. Just to do what? Do what, bruh? That you hate Sids. Thank you for. What the hell? Go.
Would you believe that? Like, I got a picture with her.
One piece.
Silence! Watch this! Yes, sir. Cracks neck, cracks knuckles. Oh.
Tired today. Yeah, Richie, I'm down.
I will.
Wins in a row.
Match found.
We got... Haven't. Oh my god, what's my thing? Is it that? Oh my god, yes! Oh my god! Oh my god, I got attacked. Do you tagui? Oh my god. Oh my god! Chat, I just realized we hit. Alright. Oh my god.
Oh, bless you. Ew.
Ready?
Okay. You're gross.
Ready? I'm hungry. I'm so excited to go eat. Anyway, bye chat. Thanks for being here. Oh my gosh. Supernatural. What? And I have like every time this happens, I get really bad. Like, oh, I hate like the heartburn part of it. Seeing coffee. Oh. Okay.
We're going out.
Hold on. Let me get. Or it's a migraine. Cause I.
Lots of it.
Yay!
A huge amount.
Wait, what? I can't play. The trip? What did I say?
Yeah, Phoenix ult again.
You don't let me play Clove, so yeah.
Yeah.
None of my stuff has malfunctioned yet.
Oh. Did you just hear that?
Wow.
Is this a new song? I don't think so. How are you feeling today? Tired, exhausted. Stage. Oh my god.
Maybe mid.
Oh yeah, my stomach hurts. Ouchie. Please.
Yes, this should do.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is a nice one.
Call me.
Hello. You would not have them.
Yes, we would. Yes, we would.
You guys would not be home.
Oh. Oh.
Match found.
Bye.
Hell,
Yeah.
oh, this is a nice spot. That goes there.
Like. Come inside. So you can play with long nails? That's commitment. Oh no. Missing split. I'm kind of missing split. Fuck. What the fuck?
Worry my mind.
Delayed, it's so bad.
Is it?
It's really delayed.
I don't know if I want to. You don't know? I see how it is. What about this one?
Send a message.
Love it when they make it easy for us.
Dave? I love ulting aim. I feel like we should just gone. Can we make noise B and then just walk?
Taken out.
He's on
He's in the smoke.
smoke.
Alright, man, they can
Wait, what?
Alright, bet.
My next tingy. They're probably gonna re-hit.
Yeah, they're gonna re-hit.
My turn.
Lock. Fucking abyss. Why am I not camming main? Am I okay? Oh my god. Links, thank you. Okay.
Camera taken
Two
out.
stairs. Ready? You ready?
Bro wants it so bad. I got 5-7 this half.
Satchel out. Satchel out. Reloading.
Oh my god, I feel like shit. Fuck. You. Hey there, Delilah. Hey, I don't know if it's gonna. I said it was so hot. How do I like make Spike not be in the whatever? Oh my god, fuck.
Okay. Excuse me.
Or we could get Gecko out too. I didn't mean to click that. No static, by the way. Up and try to feel okay again.
Okay, bro.
Only
With one button? Ew. Who should I raid?
That's okay.
You wanna get a pick mid? Or?
Yeah, let's
So
try.
no. Because I don't trust in my own. I don't trust in my own aim.
enemy.
Thank you. Italy. Exciting. Bruh. Now what? I get 18. Okay. Matter. How I do this? Unless I slide it somehow. I don't know. I don't understand why it would stay. Yeah, these satchel on.
I already smoked.
Why'd you only call me when you're high? It's astronomy. GG. Okay. I don't know any system.